So after some time of deliberation, we finally do have a winner for our first stage modeling challenge on the CG Lounge. Andrew Hodgins was kind enough to pick a winner, and he picked Andrea Blackbread as our first modeling winner. Let me quickly read a quote from Andrew on all the submissions he has seen. Some general feedback for all of the entries is some subtle moving of the vertices on the edges, so everything isn't perfect would be good. All the lines are perfect and straight. It is something overlooked a lot, but so many perfect edges, it makes it look CG. Even though all the entries are technically very good, I also took consideration of the UVs, and that's why I picked Andrew Blackbread as the winner. I'm also super stoked that Michael Wild offered to give some feedback on those entries, so he was kind enough to record a video outlining the entries, talking about the edge breakups. He showed some UV techniques, so it's definitely something worth checking out, and I really appreciate the help from Michael. Check out his channel below in the description. We are now at stage 2 for this challenge, which means we have a winning model which will be used as the surfacing asset. So you can use any application, Mari, Substance, even Microsoft Paint to create your textures, make it look good, make it look as good as in the reference, and then we want to pick a winner from that. So check out the CG Lounge channel 9 information slot to get further updates on the stage 2 of this challenge.